Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And about a month ago, I did an experiment with sweet potatoes. Now I've heard of different ways to start sweet potatoes, and one person always says their method's better, and another person says their method's better. So I tried 4 different methods to see which one actually is better, at least for me. The first one I tried was putting the sweet potato in a glass of water. Second one was to put them in dirt. Second one was just to leave them on the counter in the light. And the fourth one was to leave them in a dark spot. So I did start the experiment on February the 14th. Today is March 14th. And this is what I've found so far. Okay, what I did was I put sweet potatoes in water, and when you find your sweet potatoes, they'll usually have a little roots on the bottom, on one end, and that end is what you put into the dirt, into the water. And put toothpicks around to hold them up out of the water so they don't fall completely in. And as you can see, I've got a start here. I've got another one forming over here. And if I pull it up out of the water, you see I have a couple of them started at the bottom. And on this one, I have a good root system started, and I have some growing on the ends there and also up the side. Now once they get a little bit larger and have a good root system, what you do is break them off and put them in some water and just allow the roots to continue growing until you're ready to plant them. So the ones that are in water produced eyes. This one I just had laying on the table with the light from the Arrow Garden, and you can see it's also producing eyes, sprouts, slips. So both of these methods work. The one with the water worked a little bit faster than the one just laying out in the light. So let's go and check the other one. All right, this is the one I put into the soil. What I did was I buried them about halfway, and dampened the soil, put a saran wrap cover over them until they got roots, and then they started growing. A couple problems I have with this is they kind of tend to try to get mowed around this potato, but they do root, and you have a sprout, a slip coming up here. But I've got 4 potatoes in here and only 1 slip, and I got a couple more here coming. Now the last method was just to put it in a dark area and just leave it grow. And as you can see, it's producing slips also. So the conclusion of this experiment is do what works best for you. To me, the easiest way is just to leave them on the counter or leave them in the storage, and they will eventually sprout. If you want it done quicker, I suggest the water seems to work best for me. So I will be using the water method from now on. So I hope you learned something. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And the lights are going back out on this one. Dream big, follow that dream. Love you. God bless.